Is three-step method a scam, or can it actually make you a millionaire? Hi, it's Simon here from Affiliate Watchdog, where I get scammed so you don't. Today I've got my hands on three-step method. You know that program that promises automated income streams in 3 simple steps?
It sounds too good to be true.
I know, right? So I paid $9 to get on the inside to find out whether this is actually a scam or legit. So stick around, because what I'm about to show you might actually save you some money and a lot of time. Let me just cut right to the chase. Three-step method is absolutely a scam, and here's why. The program says it's going to offer you a proven path to online riches, but actually what you get is a glorified 1500 word blog post that barely scratches the surface on affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is actually a great way for beginners to start making money online. I made this video all about how you can get started and how it all works, so definitely check that out. But let's just keep it real, you're not going to get anywhere with three-step method, and to be honest with you, you deserve a lot better. If you're serious about making money online, then let me give you a much better alternative. Do yourself a favor and check out Wealthy Affiliate instead. I'll pop the link at the top of the description. So Wealthy Affiliate is an all-in-one platform that gives you actual step-by-step training, website builders and cutting-edge AI tools, and the super supportive community you need to create an income-generating online business so you can achieve real-time, location and financial freedom. So skip all the scammy gimmicks, skip the John Clyde three-step method, click the link in the description and actually start something that works. Okay, so here we are on the three-step method website, threestepmethod.com, and it simply says, say hello to your new online income. Create an income in 3 steps, no experience or special skills required, anyone can do it, and it's available in Thailand. That happens to be where I am now, but I'm sure there it'll have whatever country you happen to be in. So it's saying, let's show you how it works and we'll give you a $50 bonus. Watch this short video. So I'm just going to go ahead, enter my name and email in there, and yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Alright, so now I'm on this page, which has a embedded YouTube video with this guy, 5-minute video, explaining how three-step method works. Apparently it's just 3 steps. Live life on your own terms, they say. Choose your desired income, get started. And then we just have to pay just $9 to activate our membership. So what I will say at this point is I recognize this guy. So the guy in this sales video doesn't actually work for three-step method. He's not the creator of three-step method. He's actually a Fiverr actor, and which is fine, right? Maybe the owner of three-step method wanted to hire a Fiverr actor to do a video for them. No, that's not a problem. But if you scroll down, what people are saying, three-step method member review. These 2 people go on to talk about how much money they've made after they joined three-step method. How it's such a revolutionary, amazing, simple 1, 2, 3-step method that they've made millions of dollars online because of it. But in fact, this guy and this guy are actually Fiverr actors too. Just hired spokespeople, paid, given a script and paid to say whatever the three-step method owner wanted them to say. So if real people were getting real results with this, then you wouldn't have to hire actors on Fiverr to pretend that they were successful students, right? It just doesn't make sense. But you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and ignore all the big red flags, and I'm going to sign up anyway. For $9, I might as well sign up so I can show you what you get on the inside. Alright, so here's what the three-step method members area looks like. It says, congratulations, you're just 3 simple steps away from creating your first automatic online income stream. Exciting times ahead. So, to your success. Okay, so it looks like it's just this one page here. This is the so-called training that's going to enable you to make tens of thousands of dollars a month online. So as you can see, you've got a quick intro. There's no video or anything like that. It's just text-based. You've got a quick intro here, which basically says just read the sections below. Three-step method works. Fact, we'll earn money if you implement 3 steps. If not, we'll refund you up to 90 days. We ask that you at least try three-step method for at least 60 days or more to give it a fair chance. That is a bit sneaky. Okay, the reason that that's so sneaky is that three-step method is a ClickBank product, so you are entitled to a full 60-day money-back guarantee. But obviously the owner of three-step method, whoever that is, because we have no flipping clue who that is, wants you to go over the 60-day refund period so that you can't get a refund. So he's saying, just try it for 90 days, give it a good chance, and then you're going to email him asking for your money back, and you're just not going to get your money back. So that is very sly and sneaky. I don't like that at all. But he's obviously put that on there because a lot of people are asking for their money back. And after looking at this page, I can't say I'm surprised. All right, so your payouts are going to be, okay, create a ClickBank account. 3 steps. Step 1, choose a niche. Okay, so you choose a topic, whether it be golf or fishing, photography, baking, horse riding, jigsaw puzzles, whatever it is. So you choose a niche. Okay, nothing wrong with that. And how do you choose a niche? By looking at what your passions are, what your interests, what your hobbies are. No problem with that. Okay. Step 2, you've identified and chosen your niche. Now it's time to create a digital asset around that niche. So what it's saying is now you need to create a website that's about that topic that you've just chosen. Set up instructions. You need to register a domain name. You need to create your website. Create a social media account. So it tells you that you need to register a domain. It tells you need a website, which is true, but it doesn't tell you how to do it or where to go to make it happen. It just says do it, and then you're just left by yourself to figure it out on your own, I guess. Moving on to step 3, now that you have your website, log into your ClickBank account, go on the ClickBank marketplace to find products to promote. So as I say, with affiliate marketing you get paid to promote other people's products, but there are over 550 million affiliate products that you can promote online. You don't need to stick to crappy, scammy ClickBank products. That is not a good long-term strategy going forward, so I don't recommend you do that. And then you just paste your affiliate links onto the site. What's next? Ensure you take action to implement the above method fully. We've proven it works, it can work for you too. Okay, take action. If you have any questions or help, just contact us. Okay, and there is a help and support page. Let me just quickly show you that. Okay, so there's product support there and order support from ClickBank there. So I just want to show you what this looks like. That link's not working, so there's no help or support. Great. So the thing is, I mean, just look at this. You're paying however much, even if it's just $9, I still think you're paying too much for this. Step 1, step 2, step 3, pick a topic, build a website, go on ClickBank and get your affiliate links. How are you getting traffic? There's so many questions left unanswered here, so many gaps. How are you going to get traffic to your website on a daily basis? How do you find the best products to promote? How do you create content? What content do you create? There's so many questions here. How do you create a flipping website in the first place? So I don't see how anybody just taking this 1,500 word single page document that they call training, I don't know how anybody can take that and turn that into a $10,000 a month income. I just don't think it's possible. If you're a complete beginner, you've never done anything like this before, you're going to really struggle with this very basic generic information that is not helpful at all. What a disappointment that members area was. My goodness, I was expecting more than that, to be honest, but man, that is crap. But let's quickly go through the pros and cons of 3-step method to help you decide whether or not you should sign up. I think we already know the answer, but let's do it anyway. So the only good thing I can say really about 3-step method, I've already mentioned it, is that because it's a ClickBank product, you are entitled to a full 60-day money-back guarantee. Don't wait 90 days like that guy tells you, because you'll never get your money back. And you don't ask him for your money back either. You do it through ClickBank directly to make sure that you do get your money back. So that's a good thing. Now let's talk about the cons. Now I'm just going to state the obvious, because sometimes the obvious needs to be stated. Nobody's making money with 3-step method, no one. That's why the owner had to hire Fiverr actors to pretend to be students, to pretend that they're making money with it, because nobody is. People are losing money with this for sure, but making money, no. So that's a massive red flag right there. Big red flag number 2 is that it's not just me saying that 3-step method is a scam. Everyone online is saying that it's a scam. Take a look at these 3-step method reviews on Trustpilot, and you've got Lorraine saying, first red flag, an incentive for $50 to watch a video or find out about the company, but then you need to pay for a membership which costs $59. But they apply the $50 to that offer, which brings the cost down to $9. Haha, what? In the video it doesn't say specifically what the person will be doing. Wow, when a company tells me I'm going to be making money but then I have to pay into it? Nope. Very well spotted. So yeah, remember the $50 bonus we were promised on the sales page at the beginning? They're saying, well, it should be $59, it's normally $59, but because you already gave us your contact details, we're going to give you it for $9. And the problem is, as you'll probably experience if you've already signed up to this, is you're going to get bombarded with spam emails daily. As soon as they have their email address, they're just going to spam you. Johan says, they're trying to sell you on a very basic affiliate internet marketing method. That's it. In order to get more, you have to pay more. Really not worth it. There are many other great affiliate marketing training sites out there that are much more organized and upfront than these guys. I can assure you that it's not as easy as 1, 2, 3 as they say. Completely true. Like anything, when it comes to building an online business, you can do really well. You can make as much as you like. The sky is the limit. But you're never going to skip past the part where you put in the time and the effort before you see results. And like he says, there is so much better training out there for you. This, you can't even call it training. It's just a single page document that's useless. It's no good to anyone. Big red flag number 3 is that this 3-step method scam is actually part of a bigger scam network. Now, the owner of 3-step method, and we have absolutely no idea who that is, he chooses to remain anonymous. I wonder why, is actually operating several scams across the internet, including paid online writing jobs, which is a scam that I've exposed here I've exposed most of these on the Affiliate Watchdog channel. It promises you'll find hundreds of high-paying writing jobs, but in reality, it's just another upsell trap. Paid social media jobs is another scam that this scammer operates, which claims you can earn $175 a day just by liking Facebook posts. Spoiler alert, you won't. Click Earners is another bogus site that tricks people into paying for so-called work-from-home jobs that never materialize. Again, I've reviewed and exposed that one. Write App Reviews, I did this just the other day. This one tells you that you can make easy money by reviewing apps, but it's just more fluff and empty promises that end up getting you nowhere. And last but not least, you've got Social Sale Rep. This scam says you'll make thousands doing simple jobs online, like being a virtual assistant or that kind of thing, but in reality, it's nothing but a huge time and money waster. Don't even bother. So the pattern of launching multiple scams over multiple websites is a classic scam tactic that the owner of 3-step method is using. But thankfully, you're watching this 3-step method review, so you don't have to fall for any of the garbage. So yeah, I hope this review kind of opened your eyes and now you can see exactly that 3-step method is not worth your time. It's honestly not worth your money. It's not even worth bothering with. And you know, it's so frustrating, but if you are really sick and tired of gimmicky, crappy scams like this that get you nowhere, then there is a better way. As I say, in the description of this video, I'm going to leave a link to Wealthy Affiliate. You can test drive Wealthy Affiliate for free. It's going to give you a free step-by-step training. It's going to give you cutting-edge AI tools. They don't just tell you to build a website and leave you to figure it out by yourself. They actually give you cutting-edge website builders and walk you through click by click how to do it, how to set everything up. As well as that, you're going to get all the help and community support that you could ever possibly need. Wealthy Affiliate is actually where I started 10 years ago. You know, I was working in a call center in the UK, frustrated, coming up against scam after scam, trying to figure out how does this whole make money online thing work. But thanks to the amazing community, the amazing training at Wealthy Affiliate, you know, I now booked a one-way ticket to Thailand. I live in Thailand with my wife. We're in the central Bangkok, completely time and location free. So I know that if you follow the training, take it lesson by lesson, ask for help when you need it, you know, you will definitely get to where you want to be. Now I would love to hear your thoughts. Please tell us your experience, your stories. Have you already signed up to 3-step method? Tell us what happened, because I know I want us to get a real good conversation going, because the more we share, the more we tell our story, the more people we're going to help to avoid traps like this. So yeah, please stay safe out there, guys. And as always, remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it most probably is.